So how's the planting gone, Missy?
It's gone all right, actually. We're all very tired. So we've got over here a lovely mango tent. That's going to be very, very big.
How big do they get? As big as Rosie?
Up to 50 foot, apparently.
Well, all the way up there.
Yeah.
In July 2021, with the increase in travel restrictions caused by Brexit and the pandemic, we decided to buy off-grid land in Portugal to live a more sustainable lifestyle.
Follow along with our journey as we turn our beautiful but derelict land into our very own slice of off-grid heaven. Wildlands.
So what are you planting, Rose?
Apples.
And you're going on Mummy's technique that she read online. You're going to put both the apples in the same hole?
Yeah, both of them. I'm going to put one probably here and the other here so they're a bit spaced. I'm going to do these too.
Lovely.
I'll need your advice when we're putting them in and how close to put them, since they're going together.
Excited by apple trees.
Add a bit of this on top to save on compost. Two small hands to do it all slowly.
That's where that's been pot bound.
Thank you, because then I can use both hands to scoop. Going for another lot. Bit of moss. Oh, there's a lot of spiky leaves in this.
Using naked hands, you might come across one of them giant centipedes.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be awesome! I'm worried about spikies.
You're making a little dam.
All the rain's going to come pouring down here, you see?
Yeah.
And even when you water him here, if you haven't got a dam of earth there, it'll just run away from him before it has a chance to soak into his roots.
Yeah.
Oh, why, it's a he. I'm just guessing.
So how's the fruit forest looking, Rose?
Great! Got all the little 9 saplings planted, I think.
Not bad for a start.
No.
And what have you done for your kumquat to make him all happy?
Well, it's Mama's kumquat, but I decorated the bottom of it a bit.
Oh, beautiful. With little rocks and moss. That's lovely. So how's the planting gone, Missy?
It's gone all right, actually. We're all very tired. So we've got over here a lovely mango tent. That's going to be very, very big.
How big do they get? As big as Rosie?
Up to 50 foot, apparently.
Well, all the way up there.
Yeah. but you can snip the tops off with pruning and keep them dwarfed.
Keep them smaller.
Yes. So there's mango number 1. And then over here, we have our first nectarine, who's looking very, very sad at the moment because he doesn't keep his leaves all winter. So he's lost most of his.
He's got lots of new buds, so hasn't he?
Yes, yep.
So nectarine, one of these. Dark red ones.
And then up here on this mound, this is Rosie's. We planted him here because the mound is made up of pine wood and needles and all the stuff from the forest floor. It's a bit of a hugelkultur bed, but not quite. And then he likes ericaceous compost, which is very, very acidic, which he will get from the pine needles. This one, also looking a little bit sad, is our other nectarine, Arm King.
Yeah, because you need 2 for them to pollinate.
For pollination,
don't you?
yes. Some of them you do, some of them you don't. So, which is why we have 2 mangoes, 2 nectarines. Over here, this is our Comis pear.
We've got another pear up the top, haven't we?
Oh, he's had a little damage, but he's got a new shoot. Yes, we've got a pear up the top and a pear down here, which is fine for pollination because, you know, the bees fly around.
Yeah.
Over here, we're trying something interesting that I read about online, which is putting 2 trees of the same type in the same hole, very close to each other. And the idea is that you keep them pruned to the same height if you need to, and although they're competing for space, nutrients, water, light, that will keep them both fairly compact, and you'll still get more than enough, these are apples, more than enough apples to feed your family. So we thought we'd give it a go. We have a Granny Smith and a Fuji.
Nice. Granny Smith looks a bit bald.
Yeah. Well, they're all going dormant, it's autumn.
Of course, yeah.
Rose, do you want to introduce that one?
This one
We did this one.
a little kumquat, and it's got some little tiny baby berries on it right now.
Oh, cute.
This is the most established one, I would say.
Got 2 avocados here, not planted, they're just waiting in a bucket because we've run out of time and daylight today. So, and again, you need 2, but avocados are slightly different. You need A type and B type. So our A type is a Hass, our B type is bacon, funnily enough. And I'll tell you more about that another time, but it's to do with when the flowers open as female and then they close, and later in the day they open as male, and the other ones do something different. So I'll tell you about that another time.
And they're resting in a pot till tomorrow, aren't they?
Yep, and over here we have a persimmon. Rosie loves persimmons.
I do!
So we're going to try that, and we have an orange and an almond up the top and a few more.
And
Lots
now
of
we need to
trees.
sit down.
Yes.